Today we are going to see how to add a 3D step file to our design files in the PCB. So we'll see today. So this is one of my PCB, which one we are working on it. So here the connector is there. This is the 2D. It is on layout file I'm showing. So here there is no 3D files which is associated with this respective footprint. It is not there, so it is not appearing on my 3D view. So I will show it on my 3D view. Here it will only appear like that connector footprint. There is no connector at all. So here we are going to add the step file and we'll see how to add it. Okay, first of all we need to get the part number. This part which one I'm using is Ampinal part. That one is I'm showing here. This Ampinal 10103594 horizontal pin. So this one part only I'm using. So I get that part. I will search it on Snapda. There I found the same part. It is available here. So if you want to download these things, you have to log in first and then you will get it easily. So this is the part I'm using. So I'm clicking this one to route to my exact part number. This is a USB general connector. So here you will see symbols, footprints and 3D models. I'm checking the 3D model which is directly meeting my requirement or not. Yes, it is meeting. This is the part I'm going to use. So this is the footprint they are suggesting. The same footprint only I'm using. You can see. Yeah, okay. Now I'm going to download this all those parts. So I'm using KiCad. So the KiCad visits and later I'm downloading. So why I am downloading this footprint is when I download this footprint package, this contain all those informations. Here you can see this is another one part I have added, and that is there the same folder I am using. So before that I just copy the directory. Yeah, now it is downloaded successfully. So once it is downloaded, I just need to extract this one. I'm maintaining with respect to all those components inside that 3D files that I'm maintaining. So here you can see step file is there and also KiCad symbols and footprints also there because of you downloaded the footprint. If you downloaded only step file only will be appear. So that is the purpose I'm downloading footprint. So if you wanted to add further symbols and footprint also you can add it. So now I'm just focusing on step file, how we can fit it with our design files. Okay. So now you can come to footprint PCB editor. Here you can see you have to select the whole component and press E. So if you press single pin, it will be appear like this. So we have to select the whole component. You have to press E, then you will get this kind of property. Yeah, here you can see that is customized added part, so that is not appearing here. So I have to delete this one and I have to add it. So this folder I have to select. So you already know how to select that folder directory. So I already copied. So here you can see this is my folder directory that I already know. Yeah, I'm going to that directory. Yeah, this is my directory. Here, this is my part folder. So in this, the step file is there. I'm double clicking, the part is appearing here. So I'm selecting OK. Then this will be integrated to my part. So here the concern here is my footprint of the PCB board is like this. My symbol is like this. So my step file is like this. So here I have so much options. It's a scale, rotation, and offset. So using this scale and all, I can expand this part and I can vary these dimensions with respect to if you are doing some of the things POC, you may need to increase the width, the size, thickness and all, so that you can play with the existing step file and you can modify this scale. It's like the same thing. It will be appear bigger or smaller. So the rotation is like you can rotate this component. Yes, this is my 90-degree rotation. It is fitting with my exact, but only this holes and all not meeting. So that is offset. That offset is like we can fix wherever this will come. So I guess yeah, it is meeting now. Here you can see this we have to fit with exactly. Yeah, I guess exactly it is meeting that requirement. Yeah, now it is seated. So using the rotation, offset and the scale, we can fit with our step file into the PCB design file. Okay. If you want to check fully this visibility and all, you can change and you will get that part how it is appearing. Okay. Here we go. I give okay. Then this will be linked with my footprint. So now I'm going to select 3D view. Here you can see. Yeah, now you will get this connector is seated in wrong placement. So if I do this kind of a, I don't get access for this connector. So I need to reverse this one. So we can add this 3D mapping for the critical components, and we may get proper idea about how it will be physically appear on this board. So those avoiding those kind of uh, issues, we may integrate our step file to the our footprints and we can try it. Maybe this is a nice practice to avoid such kind of errors. Yeah, here you go. Yeah, this is now seated perfectly and it is meeting our requirement. We have the accessibility now. If you in previous way this connector is seated like that way, connector we can't connect it because of this IC is seated very nearby, so it won't have that space. Okay, yeah, that's all. Thank you.